Here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How's the Dalby sale today, Dan?
G'day Sam, today combined maiden show the total of 7,767 head, back 1,448 on last week. All categories were a bit softer on last week. Cows, good heavy cows, remain firm, maybe up 5 cents now for the equation.
Bullock 600 kg plus, 399 to 420 to average 408, back 35. Heavy feeder steers 4 to 500 kg, 420 to 526 to average 498, back 5. Heavy feeder heifer 4 to 500 kg, 360 to 468 to average 429, back 19. Prime cow 520 kg plus, 398 to 420 to average 407, up 4. Medium cow 4 to 500 kg, 368 to 395 to average 379, up 3. Store cow up to 400 kg, 260 to 354 to average 297, up 3. Heavy bulls 286 to 424 to average 405, back 12. Light bulls 374 to 456 to average 420, back 18. Yearling steers 3 to 400 kg, 364 to 530 to average 475, back 35. Yearling heifers 3 to 400 kg, 363 to 476 to average 429, back 8. Weaner steers 200 to 280 kg, 440 to 602 to average 530, firm on last week. Weaner heifers 2 to 280 kg, 368 to 465 to average 424, back 2.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week is Dalby's last sale, the 10th of December. Get your bookings in nice and early.